Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. So today I'm going to share with you my recipe for Guyanese style tennis rolls. I believe this was a subscriber request, so today is your lucky day. We'll be preparing some tennis rolls. But before we jump into the recipe, please don't forget to hit the like button. It helps the channel out a lot. Share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let's jump right in. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have some all-purpose flour. I'll be using evaporated milk, but regular whole milk is fine to use as well. I have some melted butter, vanilla extract, almond extract. I'll be using some sugar, some lime zest, salt, and yeast. So first things first, you want to add the lime zest and the salt to your flour. Mix to combine and set that aside. Now we'll combine our wet ingredients. We'll add the sugar to the warm milk. Make sure the milk is warm. And then we will add our yeast in here. My yeast is already activated, but I just like to do this step to make sure that the yeast is alive. Then we will add the butter, the vanilla, and the almond extract. Mix everything to combine, and this is our wet ingredients. We'll go ahead and pour it into the dry ingredients. You want to mix until all the flour is well incorporated into the wet ingredient and you form a super soft dough. Once the dough is formed, you want to go ahead, add a little oil. This is optional. I like to add the oil just so, my hands and the dough won't be so sticky. So I go ahead and just knead the dough until it comes together perfectly. Then we will cover and allow this to rise for about an hour or so. After about an hour, the dough has doubled in size. Next, we'll go ahead and release the air from inside of the dough. Then we will lay it onto our countertop, and you want to just cut it into equal pieces. You will get about, let's say, 12 tennis rolls from this amount of dough, but if you cut it smaller, you could probably get about 14 or so. Once the dough is cut into equal parts, you want to go ahead and just roll it up into some little dough balls. And this is my baking tray I'll be using. It's a 9 by 13 and I already greased it with some butter. Next, we'll go ahead and cover these and allow them to rise again for about 45 minutes or so. Once the dough has risen for a second time, you want to place them into a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or so, or at least until they look like this. Once they are done, you want to go immediately and brush them over the top with some melted butter. And you always want to allow them to cool a little before you devour them. But I could never wait until they're fully cooled. So I'm going to show you right now what they look like on the inside. These were so flavorful and delicious. They smell absolutely amazing. You can smell that lime zest, the almond extract, and all that stuff. I placed a piece of cheese in there. This is the classic Guyanese combo, tennis roll and cheese, and it was amazing. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy